Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech First. So in this video, I will show you best plagiarism checker online, absolutely free of cost. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So the plagiarism checker name is freeghostseo.com. So firstly, you have to copy this link and go to one of your browser and paste the link here. You will get into this website and this is really amazing. Let's see. So I have taken some text here to check the plagiarism of this text. So I will copy this text and paste it here in this interface. So paste it here. Now I will check the plagiarism. So click on check plagiarism and it is checking the plagiarism. It will take a little bit time to check. As you can see this, it is finally showed the result. It is 100% plagiarized content and 0% unique content. And there are also sources where I have got this text. So this is really amazing website. Please use this as soon as possible. It is especially for content writer, researcher, any more people who need this plagiarism checker. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.